Today's tool for mathematics is a 10 frame. What do you notice about the 10 frame and what do you wonder about the 10 frame? I noticed that it has two columns, or if I turn it this way, it has two rows. I also noticed it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that row. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all together. What else do you notice? How can we use this as mathematicians? Well, it can help me count. If I have some counters and I want to know how many I have, I can put them on my 10 frame. I'm wondering, is there an easier way to see how many counters I have? Can I organize my counters in a better way? What do you think I should do? I think I should put them in a row so it's easy for me. I know that this has 5, so I don't even have to count because I know it has 5, but I can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if I have some more? What could I do now? Let's see. I can put each one in a box. Is that a good organized way? How would you organize these counters to help you count them faster and easier? I think I'll put all the green ones together, and I'll put all the orange ones together. And if I put them next to each other rather than apart, it's much easier. I can see them. Well, I know I have 5 green, and I can see I have 1, 2, 3 orange. How much is that all together? 5 and 3, well, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and I know this is 9, 10. I know that there's 10 here and 2 don't have counters, so that means there's 8 left. Enjoy using a 10 frame today. We can play a game with 10 frames called Fill the 10 Frame. We need 2 10 frames, one for me and one for my partner. I'm going to be the green counters and my partner can be the orange counters. And we need 1 die. Okay, I'll go first. I'm going to roll the die and I got a 3. That means I get to fill my 10 frame with any 3 spots. I can put them together or I can put them apart. However I want to do it, I get to fill it with 3. It's my partner's turn. This is their 10 frame. They roll, they got 2. My partner can put it in 2 different spots or together. It's my partner's choice. My turn. Ooh, I got a 5. That means I get to put 5 more counters. I have 3, but now I get to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I only need 2 more places and I have filled the 10 frame. It's my partner's turn. Ooh, they got a 5 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, who's winning? It's so close. I need 2 and my partner needs 3. We're going to keep playing and the first person to fill their frame wins the game. Let's see what I got. 3. But I have 2. That means I get to use the rest because I can't use 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm out of counters. I won the game. Enjoy playing. Fill the 10 frame. Teachers, here are some tips for you. The pedagogy around 5, 10, and 20 frames is really building a number sense of counting and that each piece has a place in that one-to-one correspondence. It also begins to develop friendly numbers. That 5, 10, and 20 are really friendly numbers that can help us solidify our understanding and not have to count all every time, but that we can count on. 10 frames or 5 frames or 20 frames also help us with patterns and organization. You'll notice in the video we talked about how can I organize this to count it easier, and that really helps kids see patterns and build toward efficiency, being more efficient by putting things together and using those patterns rather than just counting all and having our counters all over the place. So you're working toward more efficient strategies. Some ways to differentiate the learning engagements are you could have children each have a 20 frame, so you can up your numbers that they have to fill a 20 frame each. You can use more than one dice, but within 20, I usually only use one die. And always you can use subitizing cards or other ways to make the number. It doesn't always have to be dice. So differentiate with the tools that you're using and would like to focus on in your class. Enjoy using 10 and 20 frames.